This is a brief history of Brockholes Nature Reserve. Brockholes is a nature reserve near Preston, Lancashire, just off junction 31 of the M6. It is owned by the Wildlife Trust for Lancashire, Manchester and North Merseyside, situated in the floodplain of the River Ribble. It has the UK's first floating visitor village. Brockholes was previously a major quarry extraction site. The land was bought by the Trust in January 2007 and the reserve opened to the public at Easter 2011. The reserve is aimed less at dedicated bird watchers and nature lovers than the general public of the big cities. Brockholes offers a wide range of events throughout the year and over 250 acres of trails and hides. In July 2007, an architectural design competition managed by RIBA Competitions invited architects and architect-led multidisciplinary design teams to design the new visitor facilities for Brockholes Wetland and Woodland Nature Reserve. Work commenced in 2009. The resulting Brockholes Visitor Village is the first floating visitor centre in the UK. It houses shops, an exhibition area, an activity room for schools and community groups, a restaurant and a conference centre.